Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Etsy SEO with Etsy Search Insights step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Etsy account. Navigate to your shop's dashboard. Look for the marketing section in the left sidebar. Click on SEO to access your SEO tools. Once in the SEO section, locate the Etsy Search Insights feature. Click on View Search Insights to see the data collected about customer searches. Take note of the search terms that are relevant to your products. Identify which keywords have high search volume but low competition. Open a new browser tab and conduct a search using one of these keywords. Analyze the top listings that appear for this search term. Observe their titles, tags, and descriptions carefully. Make a list of common phrases or words used by successful competitors. Return to your Etsy shop dashboard and click on Listings to edit your products. Select a product listing you want to optimize. In the title section, incorporate one or two of the high potential keywords. Ensure the title is still clear and accurately represents your product. Scroll down to the tags section of your listing. Add relevant keywords that align with the search insights you've gathered. Focus on using all available tag fields to maximize visibility. Move to the description area of your listing. Create a compelling description that naturally includes your selected keywords. Aim for a balance between keyword usage and readability. Save your changes and repeat the process for other listings. Monitor your listing's performance over the following weeks. Use Etsy's analytics to see if your traffic increases. Adjust your keywords based on ongoing search insights and trends. Regularly revisit the Etsy Search Insights to stay updated on changes. Continue refining your SEO strategy to enhance your shop's visibility. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.